Welcome back to Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to open command prompt as administrator in Windows 11. For this video, I will use a total of 5 methods and you can use either or you can learn all according to your choice. So let me start without any delay. First one method is through run dialog box. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. Then here type CMD and from your keyboard press Ctrl Shift and then enter. To open command prompt as an administrator. Next one method is through a start menu. For that, click on this one a start button and here type CMD or command prompt. Then right click on this one command prompt entry and select run as administrator. Click yes in case prompted. Next one method is through search menu. For that, click on the search bar or search icon on the taskbar. Type CMD or command prompt. Then select this one and then right click on this one command prompt entry and select run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Next one method is through PowerShell. For that, click on this one start button. Type here PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one PowerShell entry. Select here run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click yes. In the elevated PowerShell window, type CMD and press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to the command prompt and you can execute your command under Windows PowerShell box. Next one method is through desktop shortcut. For that, you need to create a desktop shortcut. For that, right click on the free space on the desktop and select here new and then shortcut option. In the box type cmd.exe and then click on this one next button or then name it as something command prompt. Then click on this one finish button. Now right click on this one command prompt entry and you can select run as administrator to open it as an administrator. In case you want to make it more accessible, after doing right click select properties option, then click on this one advanced button. Here check this one option run as administrator, then click on this one OK button. Click on OK button. Now when you will double click on this one, it will open with an administrative privilege. In case you want to make it even more accessible, right click on this one shortcut icon, select show more options and here you can pin it to a start or pin it to taskbar. Just select it according to your needs. In case you want to open command prompt with a keyboard shortcut, again right click on this one shortcut icon, select properties option, then in the shortcut key box keep your cursor and then type any letter or number from your keyboard. Suppose I want to open with Ctrl Alt plus I keyboard shortcut, then you just need to press I key on your keyboard and Ctrl plus Alt will be added by Windows 11 itself. After that, click on this one apply button, click on this one OK button. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.